to die. Cancer can develop in almost any organ or tissue, such as the lung, colon, breast, skin, bones, or nerve tissues. There are many causes of cancer. This includes smoking, drinking excess alcohol, excessive sunlight exposure, genetic problems, obesity, radiation, and viruses. However, the cause of many cancer remains unknown. The most common cause of cancer-related death is lung cancer. Others are prostate cancer for men, colon cancer, and breast cancer for women. The following symptoms can occur with the most cancer: chills, fatigue, fever, loss of appetite, malaise, night sweats, and unexplained weight loss. Commonly, this disease can be diagnosed by the following: biopsy of the tumor, blood test, which look for the chemicals such as tumor markers, bone marrow biopsy, chest x-ray, complete blood count or the CBC, CT scan, and MRI scan. The treatment includes surgery, radiation, chemotherapy, and anti-cancer drugs. Because of the present medical technology, many treatments are discovered and used to treat cancer. But the best way to avoid acquiring this disease is simple as the word